Hello there. Do you want to create a YouTube channel and you don't know how to start? It's a simple process and I'm going to take you through that in this video. So what you simply do is when you open YouTube, you go to youtube.com, you click on the icon up here. That's the logo icon there. You go to your channel. If you already have a channel, this is what will appear. Mostly if you're able to comment on videos, you have a channel already. But if you have a channel but you don't want the name that is there, you are creating a whole new channel. Just go to settings, add or manage channel. Currently there are two channels here. You create a new channel, so you provide a name for it, and before this you should have searched out how to get a good YouTube name. So a name that is good enough for you or that is able to put you out there. So Joe Inspires might not be the best, but just to give you an example, so you should find the name that suits you better. So go to create. So I've created a new YouTube channel and this is how it appears when you first create it. So to customize it, you click on customize icon. Go to branding. So with the branding, you have the logo. You can change the profile picture, which should be a square picture. So I already have the picture here. You can find a way of designing it, or whichever way you can get it. It should be a square picture that speaks of the content there, but these are just illustrations that I'm using. So we have channel banner as well. So the channel banner, it also has its unique way of designing. I have a video on that. You can kindly check it out on how to design a banner that's even without using Photoshop. So I'll simply pick from my other channel's banner then use for this. So I'm done with the channel banner, and the watermark is what appears throughout the video. Whenever you are playing a video, it appears and it easily helps you to get subscribers, because when people click there, they are going to subscribe to your channel. So you can let me use this. Mostly people use the subscribe icon, so let me use that, the popular one. So you just search subscribe PNG. So with this, I'm looking for a square shape, but I think this is. So I just simply save this and use it. And you upload it. So from there, you can set it to entire video, end of video, but most advisably entire video. So you should be careful out here. You might upload stuff and delete them unintentionally. So from there, you simply go to publish, and your details has been kept out there. So when you refresh the page, what you kept there is now updated, so you can now upload your videos. And I wish you all the best in your content creation. To learn more about growing your channel, I'll be uploading videos on that soon. So kindly do yourself a favor by subscribing to this channel to get more of those videos. Till I see you in other videos. Bye bye.